How to fix 7-Eleven app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to start doing is to head over to the App Store of your device. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for 7-Eleven app. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In that case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside your settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application 7-Eleven and then move into it. Click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.